This is an AMCHA Initiative special report. To download the complete report, visit www.amchainitiative.org. Since the 2023 Hamas massacre, anti-Semitic activity has surged on U.S. campuses, including throughout the UC system, with recent estimated increases from Hillel and the ADL ranging from 700% to 2,000%. Prior AMCHA research has suggested that anti-Zionist faculty play a pivotal role in inspiring the anti-Israel sentiment fueling campus anti-Semitism. AMCHA's latest research has shown UC faculty and graduate students are increasing their involvement, with anti-Zionist faculty involvement post-October 7th rising by a staggering 1,100%. All 10 UC campuses have Faculty for Justice in Palestine chapters who organize expressly to provide support for their campus Students for Justice in Palestine groups and to use their faculty positions to promote anti-Zionist advocacy and activism and inspire campaigns, such as an academic boycott of Israel. Faculty and departments have canceled classes in order for students to attend anti-Zionist exclusionary protests, with some even providing extra credit. As individuals and members of departments and campus organizations, they have engaged in anti-Zionist indoctrination and activism under the mantle of academic freedom. The University of California has policies prohibiting faculty and graduate students from using their academic positions and university resources to engage in political indoctrination and activism. However, campus administrators are simply not enforcing these regulations. Unless and until this changes, University of California campuses will not be safe for their Jewish community members. Join us in urging administrators to enforce their policies. Visit amchainitiative.org to read the full report and help us take action today. It's time for a change. It's time for administrators to enforce policy.